Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this Bluetooth 5.1 FM transmitter for car and truck with a 12 volt or 24 volt cigarette lighter adapter with a 38 watt fast charging from Syncwire. Simple, superior, reliable. Well, let's open it to see what we have inside and how we can use it. And of course inside we're gonna find out and the manual. If you want to read it is your choice, but stay with me, you're gonna find out all about this product. Ooh, nice. Syncwire logo. The plug, the connector here. Nice. And again, I'm holding to my hand another premium product from Syncwire. Rotation wheel. I like it. Definitely they are doing a great job. Syncwire.com, you can check other products. Maybe you like something and just buy it. With a stable connection by Bluetooth 5.1, you can achieve hands-free calling and other operations smoothly while you are driving. That is more safe because you don't have to use anytime your smartphone. You can just use this device and hands-free call anyone. The built-in CVC design can reduce extreme environmental noise to provide a crisp and clear voice for hands-free calls. There is a button to turn on bass mode, which brings more fun of the strong bass sound. The surrounding LED backlight can even dance with the rhythm of the music and enjoy a safe driving by calling, hear music and just relaxing when you're driving. Now on the device we have the microphone, Type-C power delivery 20 watt fast charging, USB quick charge 3, 18 watt fast charge. Here it is the FM channel display. I'm going to connect my car and see how it looks. And around we've got the circle LED light. It will illuminate at the night. Rotated knob, channel up down, volume up down. It is a multifunction rotation knob. Nice, I like that. And at the front we've got the bass booster button, the multifunction answer, hang up, play and pause button, and the channel button for selection the channel. Nice. Overall I can say it feels very premium, it feels very nice in my hand. Well, let's move on, connect it to my car and see how it works. Okay, there we are. Let's plug it in and it says hi. And the battery, it is 12.4 volts. And now we can see it's flashing. That means it is on pair mode. And we need to connect my smartphone. And there it is, SWXC653. The ring LED is flashing at the lighter adapter. Pair. And now we can see it is solid white, the ring. And that was the pairing process. And now we need to adjust the FM transmitter radio. That means we need to have the same frequency. Here it says 87.5, the same frequency and to my radio. But if this frequency is on use, you need to find out other frequency. With the channel button, just press the channel button, it's flashing, and you can adjust from here which frequency you've got at your radio of your car. Well, let's say 87.5, press again, turning on my radio, and then from my smartphone I can choose a song and play to my car. Volume adjusting with the ring, left and right. Maximum is 30 the volume. And now I'm playing song from my smartphone through this car cigarette light adapter to my stereo system of my car. And I can see, and the white ring is flashing with the rhythm of the music. Changing the song. Of course, you need to find a frequency of your radio station that is clear That's how you will have more clear sync between your car system and with this car LiDAR adapter. And of course, by pressing the button for the calls, you can resume the music, pause, play again, and we've got on the bass button. Press the bass button. Oh, and you've got more bass. And now let's try in the calls. And you can see is on call, is flashing. That means you can talk with the other person. And of course, by pressing the button, you can hang up the call. Or if someone is calling you, you can answer the call with a button. Or again, on a call, you can increase the volume. Nice. And I can say when I was driving, the call quality was very clear. I can hear the other person very well, and it can hear me very well. And again, you can find the frequency on your radio station that is more clear, and you don't have any interruptions as you are driving. And of course, you can charge on your smartphone. We've got a quick charge, and it can show you the voltage is flashing. That means you've got lower than 12 volt. That's why it's flashing. This is from the type A. And from the type C, quick charge, fast charging is enabled. Nice, I like it. And you can charge two devices simultaneously from the type A, quick charge, or from the power delivery type C. I have tried and I have charged my smartphone, and definitely the time is very acceptable. It is near the same as my power adapter 25 watt. I like it, thumbs up, definitely is doing a great job. I love that it has this rotation ring, and all the time you can rotate. If you want to decrease the volume, you don't have to search anytime, just with your fingers rotate. Very helpful, like it. Well guys, that was all about. If you need to buy this product, you can check down below to the description, find a link, click it, and find more information and where you can buy it. Syncwire is doing a great and premium product. I like it, thumbs up. They're doing a great job. Well, I will keep use it and see how it goes, and if anything wrong, I will leave down below to the description my thoughts. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button, and that was all. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.